Here, I will show you few different ways to add custom HTML codes in WordPress website. First of all, log into your WordPress admin dashboard, and the first way to add HTML code is we can easily add custom HTML codes to a specific page or post. So let's go to post section, and here let's edit this post, for example. Once you are in the page or post editor, all you have to need, take a new block and click on this plus icon, and in this search box you have to type here custom HTML and add the custom HTML block. Now in this right HTML box, go ahead and add your custom HTML just like so, and click on preview to see your HTML output. Now all you have to need, click on save or publish, and this was the first way to add custom HTML in our WordPress. And another way to add custom HTML is hover over on appearance, and here click on theme file editor, and here in this right hand menu you will find all of your theme files. For example, I want to add custom HTML code to my theme header file, so here's I'm selecting theme header file. Once the file selected, now you can go ahead and simply add your custom HTML code just like so, and click on update file to save change. And the last option, to add custom HTML code in widget section, so hover over on appearance and click on widgets, and now here you will find all of your available widgets. Now for example, I want to add custom HTML code in my left sidebar menu, so I'm going to expanding left sidebar, clicking on add block, and here adding custom HTML and adding my code, and here we can see the preview. Now click on update to save change. Thanks for watching.